Virtual greetings, distinguished viewer.
Today we immerse ourselves in the fascinating universe of pentesting, a digital art that becomes the master choreographer in the constant dance between security and threat in our connected world. In an era where information is the primary currency and connectivity is the norm, cybersecurity becomes more crucial than ever. As intrepid digital explorers, pentesters delve into the depths of our systems to unravel vulnerabilities before bad actors can exploit them.
Pentesting is not just a search for bugs, it is an odyssey to strengthen our defenses. Each test, each simulation, gives us valuable information on how to protect our digital assets. It is an act of anticipation, where discovered weakness becomes newly built strength.
Imagine pentesting tools like paintbrushes in the hands of a digital artist. From vulnerability analysis to web application security assessment, each technique is a brushstroke in creating a secure canvas. Tools such as Nmap for network scanning, Metasploit for attack simulation, Wireshark for traffic analysis, and Burp Suite for detecting vulnerabilities in web applications are essential in this fortification process.
This process is the shield that protects our digital cities. In an environment where cyber attacks are commonplace, the relevance of these tests rises to a critical level. They are the eyes that look beyond appearances, identifying weaknesses before they become open doors for intruders.
Let me illustrate the importance of pentesting with some concrete examples. At a financial services company, a test revealed a vulnerability in its mobile application, allowing for a fix before it could be exploited. In the medical sector, identifying weaknesses in network security safeguarded critical patient data, preventing potentially devastating consequences.
As with any art, pen testing faces constantly changing challenges. Technology advances, and with it, the tactics of adversaries. Adapting and evolving becomes the key. Pen testers must not only know current vulnerabilities, but also anticipate future ones, being visionaries on the digital battlefield.
I would like to share success stories where pentesting has made a difference. From companies that have strengthened their defenses to incidents prevented by this testing, each story is a testament to the value of anticipation and preparation. For example, one educational institution implemented regular testing, resulting in the detection and fixing of vulnerabilities that could have compromised student information.
In addition to technical challenges, pen testing also faces ethical challenges. The line between legitimate exploration and unauthorized intrusion is thin, and professionals must navigate carefully to ensure their actions are aligned with sound ethical practices.
In conclusion, pentesting is not just a technical audit, it is a statement of resilience. It invites us to look beyond the lines of code and understand the subtle dance between security and threat. By embracing this practice, we commit to building a robust and secure digital future for all.
I appreciate your attention and invite you to reflect on the crucial role that pen testing plays in safeguarding our digital world. May the stance between security and adversity inspire us to continue strengthening our defenses in the digital age. Thank you for joining me on the cyber journey. Don't hesitate to subscribe to the channel and give it a like. It doesn't cost you anything and you help me a lot. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to leave your comment.